Hey guys, welcome to the fourth CSS tutorials for beginners by World Free Apps. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about how to add comments in your CSS file, how to cascade style, and how to inheritance your CSS file. So let's begin our tutorial and open our Notepad++. Okay, yes. And let's see how can you add comment in your CSS file. Select CSS, and comments are used to explain your code and may help you when you edit the source code later. Comments are ignored by browsers. A CSS comment look like this manner. This slash star comment like look like this manner, and now star and this slash. You can make comments in your CSS file by this starting by this slash and star and ending the text with star and then slash. For example, if you want to add a comment in your CSS file, let me open my previously created CSS file. Okay, let me add a comment here. Let me open my another CSS file. Okay, first of all slash then star and comment here, then star and slash. This is your comment. Whenever you save this and run your first HTML example, run this, it don't shows your comment as the comments are ignored by the browsers. These are helpful to explain your codes. Now uh, let's see the style cascade. What is this style cascade? The final appearance of a web page is a result of different styling rules. The three main sources of style information that forms a cascade are the style sheet created by the author of the page, the browser's default styles specified by the user. Now coming to the end, and we get to know about the inheritance. Inheritance refers to the way properties flow through the page. A child element will usually take on the characteristic of the parent element unless otherwise defined. Let's see an example of the inheritance and create our HTML file. Okay, let me choose the HTML, close it, HTML. Now head tag, now close the head tag. Now the body, now close the body tag. Now let me add our CSS here, CSS style, body, curly brackets. Now the property color green, semicolon, font size 130%, semicolon, and then the font family, Arial, not this semicolon. Now close the style tag element. Now add something in your body tag. Let me add the paragraph. For example, this is a paragraph. Close the paragraph tag. Now save it. Third example, save. Now run in your browser. You can see the color is green here. The font is Arial and the size is 130%. You can increase the font size by increasing here the percent, for example 200. Now save it, launch in Chrome. You can see the size of the font increases. So you can create here your inheritance. Since the paragraph tag child element is inside the body tag parent element, it takes on any style assigned to the body tag. So you can create your CSS and HTML file, you can combine in this manner. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please guys subscribe to my channel for more great videos and keeping up to date with my channel and for supporting my channel. Thanks again guys for watching this video, and you can leave suggestion of my video in the comment section.